What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to invest in CRO, which is the crypto.com coin on crypto.com. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up crypto.com. And I just want to give you guys a little insight on why the price is going up and why I believe it'll continue to go up. So many of you may have read the news article or seen in the news that crypto.com just signed a 20-year contract with the Staples Center to change the name of the Staples Center to crypto.com Arena. And this is a $700 million contract. And this is something that you guys want to get on. Like, you want to get in on this fast because the price is just going to keep going up. This has the potential to be Bitcoin levels. With this kind of contract, this kind of deal set in place, who knows where it can go. So let's get into it. So just scroll down to the bottom and select the blue icon in the center. And then go to the bottom and select buy. And now we're going to type in crypto.com, or you can just select it. It's the first one in the list. And now you're going to put the amount of CRO you want to buy. So I'm just going to do a small amount right now. And then you select buy 10 CRO. Also, make sure you have enough money added to your wallet. You can do this with a credit debit card or your fiat wallet, whichever. So just select buy. And then it's going to have you pay this 2% fee. So you just check the box. And now you want to confirm the buy. It's going to give you a breakdown. And that's how you do it, guys. You just purchase CRO. So don't forget to always do your due diligence. Do your own research. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.